Introducing our latest feature designed for fleet managers, the Enhanced City and State Management tool within FleetOnGo. Access the settings to begin customizing your location. Navigate to the location settings where you can define specific cities and states. Enter the City Management section. Initiate the process of adding a new city. Confirm the city name and city code and save. You can search from here. Edit existing city details. Remove outdated city entries to maintain a clean and efficient management system. Access the state management. Begin the process of adding a new state. Select the country and state from the drop-down lists. The corresponding state code, as per the 2011 census, will be auto-filled. Click Save to proceed. See Search feature to quickly locate existing states. Confirm your search to access state records. Modify state details to keep your fleet operations. Save any changes made to the state information. Remove outdated state entries from Delete. This guide will help you understand how to create a city and state. Thank you.